So Kale as a product company, we face similar challenges that all the product company face. That is the quality of product when it's shipped out. Uh, no matter how much of testing that you do manually, you need to have things which are automated because you have back-to-back releases, and you need to ensure that everything is tested. You have a coverage kind of a thing. So automation plays a key role. So the more we have an automation, the better it is for our product cycle. So we did try using the traditional automation tools such as uh, well, when these tools do work, but they require a lot of investment in terms of resources, and the money that you really put on those, the licenses are quite high, and it takes a longer cycle to get an automation done. What we required was something which is quick, and if you really look at it today, the world is agile. Things keep changing, and you need to really keep a fast pace with it. So, in traditional sense, if you really look at it, the older tools, they are slowly getting very difficult. So we are looking out for a solution which would really help us do it quickly, and we found Coalitia, which does allow us to build those test cases quite quickly because you don't really require to write a script onto it. And what it also helps you is that you really don't require those resources who are skilled to work on those particular tools. So that's something which is a real good advantage if you really look at it. And what we are seeing in Coalitia as a value proposition is that A is the tool which really we have tested it, we have done a POC, and which we are satisfied looking at it. Also, what we see is that the product and the people behind it, the Zensoft Services team is one of the best that we have seen so far, and their commitment towards the product is also great, and their vision on where they want to take it. We feel very comfortable investing into a tool like Coalitia, and we hope to reap a lot of benefits out of it.